Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. And in today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create an X business account. So you want to promote your brand or business on Twitter, formerly known as on X, formerly known as Twitter, but you don't know where to start. And in this beginner's guide, I will show you how to create and set up an X account. It's a simple process. So the first thing is deciding what you want to be doing on the platform. The platform is one of the biggest social media platforms out there. It has one of the highest paying amounts for social media accounts besides YouTube and Facebook, as well as TikTok. So it comes in between the fourth and fifth position. All right. So before signing up, you need to know your goal as a business or as a brand. Basically, you need to know if you're going to be a brand, if you're going to be a company, if you're going to be a business, if you're going to be an affiliate marketer, dressed as a business. You just need to know exactly what you're going to be doing on the platform. That way, you can curate your responses, you can curate your account, you can curate your following, so you can reach more people. All right. So, besides that, are you going to be a personal brand? Are you going to be a creator? We have creators on X. We have people who benefit off of X, as X pays people on a weekly basis or a monthly basis for their contributions on the space. It could be contributing to incessant noises, it could be contributing to things of value, it could be contributing to anything. So you need to have that in mind. As well as if you're going to be an online store. We have online stores on X. We have one of the best online stores. You have some good online stores here. I don't want to mention names, but there are a lot of online stores on X that you can actually benefit from. All right, so moving on. Um, I believe I believe you can simply sign up on X. Signing up on X isn't as difficult as people would make it out to be. All you need to do is just go ahead and click on sign up. So you could either sign up with Apple or Google, as well as creating an account. So you can just click on create account. It's going to load into a new page where you just have to enter your name and a couple of details, like your name, your email, your date of birth. And once you have filled this out, the next step would be creating your username, including a password, setting up two-factor authentication, as well as any other things like phone numbers, location, address, a picture of yourself, because they are trying to, get to know you, KYCs and the rest. All right, so after you've signed up on X and you've chosen a username that's related to your brand, because that's one of the best ways to push forward. You cannot be bearing the name of a Lamborghini and you're not selling a Lamborghini as a business. So please try to make sure your username reflects what you're trying to sell. And then let's just go ahead and log in. I already have an account, so I'm just going to head into the login panel. So just go ahead and sign in if you already have an account, and I'll be showing you how you can turn your personal account into a professional or business account. All right, so I have filled in my details and my Twitter account is being opened. All right, so all you need to do once your account has been opened is simply head over to the home page and then simply click on your profile. So click on the profile icon that represents your account. Now, once you have done that, simply scroll to the top of your account. Just head over to your account section. And then where we have edit profile, go ahead and click on this option. And then simply scroll to the bottom and you would see an option to switch to professional. So go ahead and click on switch to professional. This should mean that you can either get a business account or a creator's account. So it depends on what you do. So now we have X for professionals. So just go ahead and click on agree and continue. And then you have to select an industry where you're working. Is it medical health, media and news, real estate, science and technology? Just select the one that could relate with you, which should be business in this case. You could search for business, or if that doesn't show up, you could search for anything related to your field. So you could search for anything related to your field, like business services, business supply, sports business, anything that is business oriented. Now, let's say business service, and then click on next. And now select an account type. So choose an account that aligns with your profession. Don't worry, you can change this later. You can be a business, you can be a creator for public figures, artists, or brands, shops, service providers, and organizations. So just go with this option and click on next, and you have successfully created a X business account. That's how you can go about creating an X business account. It's quite easy, as you can tell. Once you have enabled your business account, all you need to do is now optimize your profile. You can optimize your profile by making sure your business logo is here. And then where we have the cover photo should represent what your business is offering, not things like comics, music, or whatever. It should just be what your business offers and your business logo, as well as your business name and your business description. And then work on increasing your followers. So make sure you have more followers instead of a static or small number so you can actually stand out. And then also make sure your short bio includes some keywords. So when they're searching for your account or an account related to such business, you should be able you should be able to get things like that done. All right, guys. So, all you need to do now is make sure your enable business features. So, with a professional account, you can access analytics, you can run advertisements on X, you can add your location and contact info. You can also apply for verification if need be. So, if you need the blue verification badge, you can apply for it and you'll be given it. And then make sure you post your business content. So you can start with a pinned post and then value driven content and then industry tips or updates. That's how you can just get things done. All right, guys. So comment down below if you have any questions. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.